Today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is "He Thought He Could Fight the Cops."
This unpredictable suspect is refusing to leave his hotel.
Hey, quit!
A homeless charity had paid for a short stay for the man, but when that stay ended, staff struggled to get him to leave the property. After multiple call-outs, officers decided it was time to take him into custody. By this point, he was showing signs of violent and unpredictable behavior.
If he's still there and he refuses to leave, you need to arrest him, and if he won't listen, you need to give him somewhere to be.
Okay.
Dispatch should have told us that information about like that call coming back in. Yeah, that's a second call. Yeah.
Literally after you guys left, he came right back.
Where did he come to?
He came in here, then as soon as he saw me dialing you guys, he left.
Okay. Do you have a video? Can you pull the video of him coming back in?
Yeah.
What's going on, buddy? What's up?
Are you looking in?
They went to go check on something. They're going to come back here and talk with you.
Who?
Whom? The other officers that drove by. They went to go check on something real quick.
Right now?
Huh?
You are home right now?
I'm not at home. Is that what you're saying, is home?
What do you mean? Like, all the time you come and watch me all the time, it's like...
The other officers went
like,
to... That's my rider, so I have her waiting in the car. She just seen if this is something she wants to do.
That's right, then. Talk to you like this, huh?
That's my rider, so she's not an officer. She's seeing if this is something she wants to do.
You heard that right. This officer has a ride-along in the car. Unfortunately, she's getting a masterclass in how the officer keeps the situation calm while dealing with an unpredictable suspect.
Right, there he is. So 12:38, 12:39, he came back in.
How do I look like?
What do you mean, how do you look? Look like a gentleman?
I'm not gentleman.
Seem like a gentleman to me.
You call your friend.
They...
Friend, B, motherfucker.
Okay. Okay.
You trying to call me? I don't know. I want to go over there and like, you like, so what?
What are you talking about, hon? I'm not trying to call you anything.
You're a vampire.
I'm a vampire?
Yeah.
This officer will be aware that the man's left arm is concealed by the blanket. This immediately raises a weapons access concern, and when the suspect starts using bizarre, dehumanizing language, calling the officer a vampire, that may seem like he's just being rude, but it's building a picture of disdain for the cops, emotional instability, and even potential detachment from reality. This officer must consider all of this while keeping the man talking and avoiding escalation as she waits for her partner's return.
I'm not a vampire.
You see your skin, yeah.
Scum pale. Yeah, I need to get out in the sun more. But I'm in the sun now, so maybe I'll get a little bit of a tan.
All right, thank you.
Yep, no problem. We're going to go get him arrested. So we're going to go ahead and put him in handcuffs because we're going to take him down to jail.
You look like at the front desk, huh?
I look like what?
Front desk.
Front desk.
Yeah.
What is that? I don't know what that...
Front desk. Scare people, like...
I don't scare people.
Scare people. People are good. I told you how many times. You are over. Hold on. You scare the front desk, scare people all the time, man.
Like on the building check, call your Matthew Cole.
I'm going to call Sergeant. Make sure we're good to take him down there.
Okay.
We should be good with this. Call Sergeant Wise. Explain what do you have? Yeah.
Even my dog scared of you guys.
Your dog's scared of us? I'm sorry. What kind of dog do you have?
What are you talking about?
You said you have a dog.
Example.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I thought you said you had a dog.
AD.
Okay.
Hey, Sergeant. So we talked to him, we got him barred. He was pretty much saying that he's gonna fight with us. Immediately after we left, he went right back into the hotel, which we obtained video footage from. Are we allowed to go ahead and transport him to the jail and have him processed there? Okay, that's what we were wanting to do.
Oh yeah, you are good because of you scare environment. That's good.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to be scary. I didn't.
I don't know. It sound like it's a whole bunch of new people, man. You know, you got the lady with the ride along, which she's fine, but then the other officers and your man, they got a call to see if they could get him transported and all that. Like, come on, nobody can't make a decision for themselves. You know, that's why sometimes I liked my sergeant. Like some of our sergeants was like, wanted to know everything, but like once you kind of once you kind of like I'm talking about when I was a CO. Once you prove yourself, I should say, you prove yourself. You know what I'm saying? Like sergeants let you, good sergeants at least, they let you do what you think is best, and they're gonna back you, right? They gonna let you make the decision. If you wanna, in corrections it's a little different. We have tickets and stuff like that, or bringing somebody to the box and all that stuff. If we wanna write somebody a ticket or do this or do that, we do what we gotta do, and then we call Sarge after. Now there's some officers that, of course, their liabilities, you know what I mean? They don't necessarily have the best interest, or they're just out for trouble, right? You got those troublemakers that just want to start stuff all day. There's some COs that just, they had an argument with their wife, so they want to come in and just harass the inmates. You know what I mean? You have something like that. I'm keeping it 100. So those type of guys is like, of course, yeah, ask the sergeant everything. You know what I'm saying? Check up, see what's going on. But guys that typically don't have that reputation, it takes them a lot to get them angry or whatever the case may be. They're pretty much level-headed. It's like, do what you got to do. Then let me know what happened. You know what I mean? If I was a sergeant, I would be the same way. If those officers that you know what's up, your officers. Listen, do what you got to do. I'm going to back you. And that's how I go. That's why a lot of times when these guys are pulling people over and they say, hey, I want to speak to a sergeant, or I want to speak to a white shirt, it's the same thing as corrections. 9 times out of 10, that sergeant is going to back that officer. It has to be something that they really violated for the sergeant to go against the officer. The same thing, you know what I mean? So, but I just said that to say this because I thought it was pretty interesting that they keep checking in with the sergeant to see what's going on. Like, damn, nobody can't make a decision here. This guy's he's no longer welcome. Let's go. It's time to go. You ask him to leave. If he don't want to leave, we locking him up. Period. You don't gotta let the sergeant know that. Like, that's, come on. Like, let's get it together.
I think I was too scary. I said I didn't mean to be scared. I'm sorry, man.
I am Lucy.
Lucifer? You're a goofball, man.
He said, there's 3 of you there. He said, I got faith in you guys. Go for it. He said, basically, if the jail won't keep him and hold on to him for a little bit, issue an NTA there and let him out to Sallyport, and he can find his way.
Exactly. Hold on. Before we, this is what I'm saying. Sarge said, man, he probably like, man, why the hell y'all calling me about this? Do what y'all gotta do. It's a simple trespass. He's been trespassed. He's overstayed his welcome. You give him a chance to leave. If he don't want to leave, you get him together, period.
These experienced officers know all the signs are there that this man won't be going quietly. His criminal history shows multiple stalking cases, but at the time of recording, no violent crimes.
All right, man, at this time you're going to be arrested. We told you that you weren't allowed to go back on this property. We saw video footage of you going back in.
You're gonna lay down over there.
Yeah, well, you're under arrest, okay? Hey.
What? Why?
Listen,
Take his ass to the ground. Take him to the ground.
What?
better let go.
There we go.
Someone
You
got
are
their...
gonna get
You got my
What did I do to you?
Look,
We told you
turn
about
around.
arrest.
Look, you got my
That-
leg. You got my leg.
What did I do to you?
Put your hand behind your back.
He needs to go the other way.
No. We want to roll him.
What did I do to you? United Fire.
She got to let that hand go and let it go to the other side.
What did I do to you?
So the reason we didn't want to roll him the way you were trying to,
Yeah, I just didn't want my
see it?
cuff to get stuck. I saw it.
then it made it harder on us.
Yeah.
That's why you want to roll him that way.
Yeah, it's a lot of cheating going on.
So you see the problem there?
Yeah.
What's the problem?
They're twisted.
No.
The cuffs.
What's wrong he's got?
I got you.
110, 159 is going to be used, of course.
So I waited on you guys. I knew it.
Yeah, that's what we told him.
Which I had him calm.
Now he's gonna get ag battery because of my arm. So, that was unnecessary, man.
What did he do?
Well, that was not very smart, man. Can't get that thing loose. So undo this arm. Listen, man, do not pull that arm away, all right? I'll hold this.
I don't have your stop, man.
You need an ambulance, man? Do you need an ambulance for something? Nope. Okay.
See, now this makes sense. It makes sense why she's calling the sergeant now. This is primarily her case. The other officers there are just there for backup. So, you know, yeah, I see why she's calling the sergeant. It's a whole bunch of new guys training and all of that. You could tell. You could tell.
He said no.
Belly and the other side or all the way
I don't
over?
know why you're checking on me, man. Straight.
You're straight? I'm making sure you ain't got nothing on you ain't supposed to have.
I don't got no fucking like. Oh my god, man.
Okay.
Back and then over.
Uh-oh.
Could you hand me a glove right there next to you, please? This one. 2, please. Thank you much. You can roll your window down if you'd like.
Great.
This ride-along is getting a real taste of the reality of police work today.
Oh my god, man.
Back and then over.
Uh-oh.
You want to go ahead and bring your niece to you? Go ahead and walk this
What
way.
did I do to you?
We're going to walk to the back of the squad car, man.
You know what you did. Didn't listen. You're gonna get in the squad car
So where?
because you're going to jail.
What are you talking about?
Listen. Quit. You're gonna get it again, dude.
Ah!
You are going to get it again if you do not get in that squad car.
Why? For what? Ramita.
All right, I'm gonna back up and go down southbound.
Let's go. Listen, don't.
You don't want to hear me, man.
I'm listening to you. What do you want to say?
Huh?
What do you want to say?
He was charged with aggravated battery on the LEO, criminal trespass, and obstructing an officer. I'm currently unable to access his court records, but I've submitted a Freedom of Information request, and I'll pin an update in the comments when I hear back. Make sure you
Hold on. Let's see what them comments looking like, man. Did he pin anything in the comments? No. No, you ain't putting nothing in the comments. But nah, it's all good, man. Yeah, this guy, lost cause, man. Lost cause. Shelter or whatever, you know, donation, homeless donation place or whatever. Try to do a good deed. Get this guy some shelter for a couple of nights or whatever the case may be. But, you know, he ain't wrapped too tight. I'm sure there's plenty of homeless people that actually, you know, is really going through stuff, but not necessarily don't got like the mental health issues and all of that stuff that could have actually used this. But this guy, he's just lost cause, man. A whole lot of training going on, whole lot of, yeah, this is a good teaching lesson for the lady in the car. You know, everybody knew training, like, yeah, it was. But hey, you know, everyone has to go through that. When you start off, no matter what field you in, you don't know everything. You got a lot of questions. You know, you're never going to know everything, but you got a lot of questions. Got to see what's right, what's wrong, especially when you're dealing with law enforcement, right? You don't want to make a wrong move that could potentially get someone sued or, you know, whatever, right? So, yeah, it's understandable. Anyway, yeah, I get officers 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.